When you want a cake with a certain wow effect, you can't go wrong with a lemon meringue cake covered completely in tender toasted cloud. Welcome to Sandra's Bakehouse. I work as a pastry chef and share things I bake at home and at work here. Chiffon sponge cake is a moist version of classic sponge, and it works great for most cake recipes. Start by preheating your oven and separating egg whites from egg yolks. Here we have all the dry components: flour, a little cornstarch, baking powder and salt. Mix egg yolks with part of sugar and give it a good manual whip. In the meantime, or after that if using a hand mixer, whip egg whites with the remaining sugar until soft and glossy peaks. Mix yellow part with the rest of the wet, which are oil, milk and lemon juice. Add lemon zest and the flour mix. Soft and glossy peaks. Fold in a small part of egg whites into the yellow mixture to lighten it. And then fold that into the rest of the egg whites. Have a tall baking pan ready. I use an adjustable one with foil and no grease, which is important for sponge cakes. For a normal pan, place a circle of parchment paper on the bottom over a tiny bit of grease so it sticks. Bake chiffon sponge cake at 160 Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Look at this beautiful, even top. It is very spongy. Remember the golden rule of sponge cakes: not to open the oven for the first 30 minutes. Check for liquid batter with a toothpick. Let it cool completely before extracting from the pan, and let the cake rest at least a couple hours in the fridge for easier slicing. When making cakes at home, I usually bake them one day and then slice and assemble the next day, or even freeze it until needed. It's much easier. Lemon curd is a silky tart sauce that is the very essence of lemony desserts. 5 minutes only plus chilling. Zest 1 lemon into granulated sugar and add egg yolks. We'll use egg whites later. Add lemon juice and cook over medium heat. When it starts bubbling, actively stir and let boil for 1 minute. Done! If for some reason you prefer whole egg and cornstarch-based lemon curd, I'll link my other recipe in description. Add butter and push through a fine strainer to achieve the best texture. Let lemon curd cool down completely before using for cake or cupcakes. That's what it looks like after refrigeration. When cake and lemon curd are ready to go, it's time to make Swiss meringue buttercream. That's my choice for today. It has a very unique flavor compared to regular butter and icing sugar recipes. But you're welcome to choose any buttercream for this cake. Meringue in the name implies usage of egg whites. Mix them with granulated sugar and heat over a double boiler to melt sugar crystals, as well as pasteurize eggs for safety. Stir continuously until you reach the temperature on the screen. Let cool for 5 minutes, add a pinch of salt, and start whipping using a powerful hand mixer or a stand mixer on medium speed, and then high speed. Your butter has to be soft and room temperature. I whip my butter for a minute for easier incorporating. When you see stiff peaks and the bowl is no longer hot, more like room temperature or slightly warm to touch, add butter little by little and whip on medium speed for 5 minutes. Swiss meringue buttercream might look separated at first, but just keep going, it's all part of the process. Optionally, add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice and lemon zest. When done, you should end up with a light and fluffy buttercream with amazing and delicate flavor. Slice cake into 3 layers and pipe a rim of buttercream to isolate lemon filling inside. Half lemon filling and then repeat again. Buttercream will have better texture if you smooth it out for a couple minutes with a spatula to get rid of the air bubbles. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying this video. I have many more delicious cake recipes and behind the scenes of a bakery. Crumb coat your cake to seal all the crumbs. I added a final layer of buttercream off camera, but it's an optional step. Since we have a meringue topping, a thicker layer of buttercream isn't super necessary. Crumb coat will be enough as long as none of the lemon filling is showing, because it might melt the meringue. I'll leave measurements for both options in a description below. For meringue topping, we'll use the exact same recipe for Swiss meringue that was in the buttercream. Even proportions are the same. Pasteurize egg whites and melt sugar crystals. Give 5 minutes to chill and beat on medium and then high speed until stiff peaks. But check frequently to avoid over-whipped crusty result. Oh, this is my favorite part of making a cake. It's so satisfying. Apply immediately onto refrigerated cake, about half on the sides and half to make a nice and tall top. This cake is best when served the same day, though it looks great on second and third day as well, but meringue might get tacky to touch with time. Store this cake for up to 3 days in the fridge in an airtight container or under a cake dome and enjoy responsibly. It's so addictive.